In this video, I'll be showing you how to prevent Amazon account from Amazon Section 3 suspension. Also, if you stay until the end of the video, I'll show you how to start selling on Amazon again, even if you're already suspended. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and my mission is to help you become and stay a millionaire on Amazon. And the only way to do that is to conquer Amazon together. Let's dive in. So first, we want to look at what is Section 3 account review. And that's pretty much when you get a notification on Amazon that says your Amazon seller account has been deactivated in accordance with Section 3 of Amazon's Business Solution Agreement. All of your listings have been removed. So if you've ever been suspended, it's usually Section 3 and Amazon says something like this. And the next thing is to understand what is Amazon Section 3 of Amazon's Business Solution Agreement. Do you even know what it is? If not, I've got it pulled up right here. Let's go to Section 3 and let's zoom in. What is Amazon Section 3? The term of this agreement will start on the date of your completed registration for or use of service, whichever occurs first. We may terminate or suspend this agreement or any service for any reason at any time by notice to you. So pretty much what Amazon is saying is no matter any reason Amazon feels like, they can suspend you. It's Amazon's account, it's Amazon's platform. They can suspend you at any time for any reason they feel like. So Section 3 pretty much is saying that they can suspend your account or kick you off of Amazon for any reason they want. Now, to prevent this, you should be having a daily checklist. That is my recommendation, and you should be doing it every single day. That's what our team does. You can also hire a virtual assistant or someone else like us, or you can do it yourself, but having a daily checklist is extremely important. So number one is to review all of your performance notifications on Amazon every single day. Right when something comes up, your VA should be emailing you, hey, this is a performance notification, we're fixing it, or whatever it is. They should be reviewing your account health tab and make sure it's in the healthy range, nothing's wrong with the account. Next, they should review all issues under the account health tab. So you need to actually scroll down on the account health tab and looking to see if there's any issues, if there's any infringement issues, anything that your listings are about to be suspended because they need notifications of policy compliance, right? And then review all emails from Amazon. This is kind of an optional one because all of the emails from Amazon are going to go through your performance notifications anyway, but you can also just review any emails that are coming through Amazon. It's always great to have multiple areas you're checking. And then for some tips, right now, our pro tips is right when you receive a performance notification from Amazon, if it's bad, right, call Amazon right away and address the issue. This is going to help them have like a case log, and they can actually delay your suspension. So sometimes Amazon's like, oh, this product is about to be removed, or we're reviewing your account. It's always great to call them and say, hey, is there anything you can do to make sure your account doesn't get suspended? How is your account health? Is there anything wrong with the account? Just to double check. It does make a difference, and they do leave notes and they can escalate it. So call seller support, have a case log open, and don't let it close until the issue's resolved. Try to get everything in writing that your account is healthy and you don't need to do anything, because if you have that in writing and your account gets suspended, you can actually say, look, seller support said my account was healthy, this shouldn't be happening, and you can pretty much use that against Amazon, and it's a much easier to get reinstated when you have it in writing instead of he said, she said, right? Writing is always important. And then call account health insurance. So try to get in writing that your account is healthy again. That's pretty much the verbiage of this. And the faster you resolve the issue, the less likely you are to get suspended, right? One time Amazon sent us a performance notification for a client, and we only had 36 hours to call Amazon and address the issue, or else we were going to get suspended, which is crazy because it happened on a Friday at 11 p.m. So thanks, Amazon, but at least we're monitoring the notifications and getting things resolved as quickly as possible. Another tip is to make sure you have your emergency contact number updated, right? So sometimes Amazon will randomly call you and they'll leave like a voicemail. That does happen sometimes, and they don't send a performance notification. They'll just call you. I don't know why, but what you want to do is you want to go to your settings and go to your notification preferences right here. Just make sure it's updated with the correct phone number, the correct email, and that kind of stuff. Easy enough, right? Now, if you're already suspended, I do have some tips right here, right, on why your appeal got denied. This video is more about preventing it, so I'm not going to go through all of these, but I do have appeals that actually we've used for counterfeits and getting our clients reinstated, order defect rate, used, sold as new, a generic appeal, and related account suspension, right? Related account suspension and counterfeits are usually like the biggest and the hardest to resolve, but we have had them resolved for our clients. Now, pretty much what we want to do is go through a denied appeal and see why it was a denied and an approved appeal. This is just going to help you, right? So this is for document manipulation. One of our clients got suspended for document manipulation, and this is an example of a bad appeal. So we're like, we are writing in response to the notification regarding, an issue with their documents. Here's the invoice, and we're explaining how running a business is hard, and we're going through. Now, the first thing about this appeal is it's too long, right? You don't want to have your first appeal be extremely long unless Amazon is asking for tons of information. Then it has to be long. But you want to keep it short and sweet and concise. That's pretty much what it is. Also, I do not recommend saying we. You should say I. Take full ownership for the issue. Amazon likes when you do that. Just keep that in mind. Make sure you're providing evidence. So this one is providing evidence. But they also are saying we've all heard stories of businesses that's taken shortcuts. So they're pretty much talking emotionally to Amazon. Again, just stick to the facts. Don't say, hey, we've been here for a long time. We've been selling so much. We need help. Don't do that. You can do that like right at the end, but keep it very short and sweet. This is like 3 paragraphs on like why they should reinstate us. It doesn't make any sense. And then this is the one that did get approved. This is an actual appeal. I kind of removed some stuff, but it got approved, and then the account got reinstated. And you can see how much shorter and sweeter it is. And it's just, we removed all of the fluff, and it's very concise. So if you did need help getting reinstated, here's some regular tips, and then here's some expert tips on how to get reinstated. But most importantly, for staying towards the end of the video, I'm showing you how to start selling on Amazon again, even if you're already suspended. And that's creating an Amazon Stealth account. An Amazon Stealth account is a second Amazon Seller Central account, but this one, Amazon doesn't know it's owned by you, right? So it's for if you've already had an account suspended and you want to sell again, or if you just want to have multiple accounts, just in case one of your main accounts gets suspended, which is what our large sellers do a lot of the times. I've already had 4 Stealth accounts myself, and I've created multiple Stealth accounts for my clients, and none of them ever got suspended, right? Not a lot of people teach this, and I've just decided that sometimes Amazon just randomly suspends you for BS reasons. It happens all the times to our clients, and it's just super annoying when Amazon just randomly suspends somebody, right? Because it takes such a long time getting reinstated. So having a backup account or learning how to create a Stealth account is super important. So that's why I created training. You can access the free training. Just go to how to create Stealth account on Amazon. Just do it on YouTube, and you'll see a video like this. And I pretty much break down how to do it. If you still need more information and you're not very good with technical like IT stuff, we do have a course on Udemy, and you can type in how to create Stealth account on Amazon. You'll see the course right here. I'm very concise with it, very short and sweet, and tell you exactly step by step how to create a Stealth account. And if I made it completely free, then pretty much all these Chinese sellers and people who are trying to rip people off would just get the course and have multiple accounts and compete against you, and I don't want that. But if you have some technical background, this video is going to pretty much explain how to do it for free. And that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below if you've ever got suspended and how long did it take you to get reinstated. If you learned something new, drop a like, and if you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend you subscribe to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business, like calling Amazon every day just to fix one issue. Save time, money, and increase your sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, and I'm signing out.